Okay, so how many keywords do you guys think that we should target when we're launching with PPC? Like we get this giant list from all these different methods. Like how many do we go after? What do we put in?
Usually one or two. I'm totally just kidding. You got to go for all of them. You got to go
just go for the word hats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to go for as many as possible. There's no limit.
All right. So there's no such thing as too much.
No.
But is there too much in one campaign?
Well, you can only have 1,000 per ad.
Yeah. But
some
I've
people
heard
have talked about that
for 100, or you can only get shown for 100 is what I've heard. Don't know if that's just like bro talk on the Facebook groups, or if that's like
it's a lot of bro talk on the Facebook.
Yeah, I can't say, but we stuff them huge. We stuff them, and that's how we've always done it.
Okay, cool. Me too. I just throw them in there.
Generally, it really ranges, but generally we do for launches like 150 to 200. But it ranges. Like one, we did a product launch, it was 6,000, and so
Wow.
But generally like 200, something like that.
Okay,
really? We're different on that.
Oh,
We are.
Dude, we try to get as many as possible, but I don't know.
What's your average on launches?
I would say there's definitely over 1,000 for every keyword.
Or every product?
Every product.
1,000 search terms for every keyword? What?
No, for every product.
That'd be wild.
God.
I don't, unless it's like a really unique product. There's definitely been some that are a few hundred though. I'm positive.
Yeah.
There's definitely been some like unique kind of products that aren't like testosterone booster.
Okay. All right. Well, that's it. That's it for that.